In order to run a business, it's necessary to exchange documents with other businesses. For example, if you're the manager of a store, you know that in order to sell products, you first need to order the products from a supplier. So, what's the best way to do this? It's possible to exchange documents via mail or fax. However, this can lead to issues. If a business gets their documents on paper, they have to manually enter the information into their computers. This is time-consuming. Also, there's the potential for human error. So what's your alternative? There's another way to exchange documents, one that maximizes efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. EDI. EDI stands for Electronic Data Interchange, which can be defined as the computer-to-computer exchange of electronic documents between business partners. EDI was first developed during the 1960s by the U.S. transportation industry. It soon caught on with the grocery and automotive industries. Today, all major industries use EDI. International EDI standards ensure that businesses can communicate with one another in a common language. In North America, the EDI standard is X12, which was developed by the American National Standards Institute in 1979. Outside of North America, the most widely used standard is EDIFACT, which was developed by the UN in 1987. In order to have a functional EDI system, 4 components need to be in place. First, there must be a translator. Once the document is received, it has to be translated from the EDI standard to a human-readable format. Second, data mapping is needed, so all electronic documents will show the data correctly. Third, there needs to be a secure and reliable network to ensure that the EDI transactions go smoothly. Fourth, in order to keep your EDI system up and running, you'll need support and maintenance. X12 EDI includes hundreds of unique transactions, each categorized by a 3-digit number. The first 2 digits often refer to the industry that uses them. For example, the 800 series is often used in retail and manufacturing. When clumped together, documents can create what is called a life cycle. Let's look at the 3 most commonly used documents which create a life cycle and are common in the manufacturing and retail industries. These documents are the 850, 856, and 810. First, the 850 represents the purchase order sent from the buyer to the seller. The buyer indicates to the seller what they're going to buy, the quantity, shipment date, and terms of payment. For the buyer, this is called an outbound purchase order. For the seller, it's called an inbound sales order. Time passes and the goods are shipped. Next, the 856, also known as the Advanced Ship Notice, is sent to the buyer to alert them that the goods are coming and inform them of what product they'll be receiving. This allows for final adjustments to be made to the original purchase order. Finally, the 810, which represents the invoice, is an electronic list of items that are submitted for payment. The document is generated after the shipment notice is sent and the doors to the truck are closed. In addition to this life cycle, a 997, representing the functional acknowledgement, is sent as a response to each document sent. For example, using the cycle above, a 997 receipt is sent back to the originator when the 850 is sent. The same applies for the 810 and the 856. 997s often work seamlessly within most EDI software products and don't take any special coding or mapping to function properly. If you want to set up and maintain a quality EDI system, you'll likely need some help. This is where Data Communication Solutions, or DCS for short, comes in. Since 1991, DCS's team of EDI specialists has been dedicated to providing effective solutions to our customers' EDI challenges. Our services include installation, maintenance, upgrade, mapping, and expanded EDI integration solutions for our customers. We also offer a free assessment to help you determine the best course for your company. If you're looking for the best EDI solution, visit our website at dcsedi.com and connect with us today.